How to delete a screenshot on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down until you find the Screenshots album under Media Types, then tap on it. Here, you'll see all of the screenshots you've taken on your iPhone 8 Plus. Open the screenshot that you want to delete. Next, tap the trash icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When the confirmation message appears, tap Delete Photo. The screenshot has now been deleted from your library. If you want to remove it permanently, go back to the Albums tab and scroll down to Recently Deleted. Open the Recently Deleted album. If prompted, authenticate with Touch ID to access the recently deleted album. Then tap Select, choose the screenshot. Then tap Delete and Confirm.
That will permanently remove the screenshot from your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.